When selecting lawn fertilizers, there's only a few things you need to really look at when you're looking at the bags. And that's the three numbers. You'll see three big numbers. The first number is the nitrogen amount, and that's the first one you want to look at. And the other thing is the weight of the bag. So you want to know the nitrogen amount, which is that first number, which is actually a percent. The second thing is the weight of the bag, and then maybe you want to know the second number, which should be a very low number or 0, because the second number is phosphate, and we want to try to discourage the use of phosphates as much as possible on lawns. On this bag here, you see it has 28% nitrogen. That first number is 28. The second number is phosphate, which is 0, which is what we want for our Chesapeake Bay. And the 3 is the potash. The 28% nitrogen is good for grass growth. It's for the leafy green growth of it. And that's what you're looking for right now. Also, notice the weight. It's 42.87 pounds. That's how much of total product is in the bag. Now we need to figure out how much nitrogen that is. Once we know the weight of the bag and we know how much nitrogen, we can do our computation. And it's as simple as this. You just take that first number of the 3, put a decimal point in front of it, and then multiply that times the weight of the bag. That'll tell you how much nitrogen in pounds are in that bag. We also need to figure out how much do we apply to the lawn. The general rule recommended by Virginia Tech is 4 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. So if you have a house, a typical quarter-acre lot, maybe with about 2,000 square foot a house, maybe you'll have about 8,000 or 9,000 square feet. So that means you need to apply about 9 pounds per application of nitrogen. 9 times 4 would be 36. So that's about 36 pounds of nitrogen per year that you'd be applying. But on each application, you're only going to be applying 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. For one application, you'll be applying about 9 pounds for 1/4 acre lot of property. That's a lot that has maybe 8,000 or 9,000 square feet of lawn. So for a 1/4 acre lot with 9,000 square feet of lawn, you'll be using about, for that particular fertilizer, you'll be using about 3/4 of that bag for one application. For the whole year, you'll be using a total of 3 bags. On this fertilizer, it's 29, so that we know it's 29% nitrogen in this bag, and the net weight of the bag is 42 pounds. So we still need to figure out how much nitrogen is in this product. In this fertilizer, you see it has 16% nitrogen and 0% phosphate. Again, you'd like to see that second number to be very low number or 0. And the weight of the bag is 50 pounds. So we need to figure out how much nitrogen out of that 50 pounds that we need. This fertilizer here has 30% nitrogen, and the weight of the bag is 45 pounds. If you need help trying to figure out how much fertilizer you need, call us at the Virginia Cooperative Extension.